When I get sober, I'll get my act together. I will put my life in order. No longer be a victim of the devil on my shoulder. Lord knows I've been lost for way too long. I'm getting older. Namdona yoyoma. Nikomaji, 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 nikomaji. Nikomaji, 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 nikomaji. Ah, yeah. Hey, what's up guys, it's Robert. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Sober on the keys. It's an easy song, so if you're a beginner, don't shy away from this tutorial. I'm pretty sure you should be able to play it once you are done with this tutorial and practice a bit. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video, a thumbs up, comment, engage anyhow so that it can rank well on YouTube. Finally guys, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that aside, let's zoom in right after this. Well, this song is in the key of F sharp, but in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to play it in the key of F. Though if you want to play the song in the key of F sharp, you'll just have to play, or rather transpose your keyboard one step high, and then play the same chords that I'll be teaching you on this tutorial. So the progression of the chord of this song start with 6. So it's 6, 1, 4, 5. So the 6 is a D minor chord, the 1 is F chord, the 4 is an A sharp, and then the 5 chord is a C major chord. So the 4, well, there's also an a D minor chord, a minor chord, but I will show you where that chord comes in. So the good or the better part of this song uses that progression: 6, 1, 4, 5. So you the intro, the verse, the chorus uses this progression. The only part there's but there's like a variation or a turnaround before you go into the chorus. So the verse is you will play the 6, 1, 4, 5 3 times. 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 6, 1, 4, 5 3 times, then 3, 6, 4, 5. Then the chorus comes in. Nikomaji, 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 which is 6, 1, 4, 5. Okay, so the chords have this is a D minor chord, F chord, A sharp major chord, and the C major chord. So the D minor, this is an inversion of the D minor chord. So specifically this is the second inversion of the D minor chord. So first inversion of the D minor chord. So normally you'll hold the D minor here, the D minor you'll hold it here, then first inversion of the D minor chord. So with on my left hand, I am playing note F with my small finger and ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. Right hand, D minor normal, first inversion of the D minor. F with my thumb, pointer finger is playing note A, and note D with my small finger or ring finger. So the first inversion of the D minor chord. So the chord that follows is the F major chord. So this is the normal F, no inversions. So left hand, note F with my small finger and ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note C with my thumb. Right hand, note F with my thumb, note A with my middle finger, and note C with my small finger or ring finger. So that's F, F-A-C. The chord that follows, that's the fourth chord. So the fourth chord, this is an inversion of A sharp. So normally you'd hold the A sharp here. So if I invert it, second inversion, then I play it there. So if I go behind on inversion, I'll play it there. So the notes that I'm playing in this case are F with my small finger and ring finger, note A sharp with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. So that's second inversion of the A sharp major chord. Right hand also. So normally A sharp major, second inversion, play there. So thumb is playing note F, note this note is A sharp with my middle finger, and note D with my small finger. So that's A sharp, second inversion of the A sharp major chord. So finally we have this C chord. So the C chord, this is a first inversion of the C. So normally I'll hold C there, so C then first inversion. So I'm playing E on my right hand, E with my thumb, pointer finger is playing note G, and note C with my small finger or ring finger. So left hand, C, first inversion of the C chord. So E, small finger and ring finger, note G with my middle finger, and note C with my thumb. So well, those are the chords that comprise, you know, that 6 1 4 5 progression. So the other chord, which is a minor chord, which is the second inversion of the A minor chord, this one. So normally I'll hold the A minor there, so second inversion of the A minor chord. So I'll play note E with my small finger, note A with my pointer, and note C with my thumb. So that's A minor chord. So on my right hand, A minor, second inversion of the A minor chord. So E with my thumb, note A with my middle finger, and note C with my small finger, ring finger. So those are the chords that you know, that are in this song. So well, let me just so remember the 6 1 4 5 times 3, then 3 6 4 5. Let me sing through so that you know, you can see. So the intro is 6 5 4 1. When I get sober, I get my act together, I will put my life in order. No longer be a victim of the devil on my shoulder. Lord knows I've lost the devil on my shoulder. Lord knows I've been lost for way too long. You know that 3, way too long, I'm getting older. 6, Nam don't know your ma. So 6 4 5. When I get sober, I'll get my act together, I will put my life in order. No longer be a victim of the devil on my shoulder. Lord knows I've been lost for way too long, I'm getting older. Namdona yoyoma. Niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, niko maji. So the chorus is 6 1 4 5. Niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, niko maji. Niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, niko maji. Yo, so well, that's it for this tutorial. So guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't. Also give this video a thumbs up, you know, engage, comment, so that you can have a good ranking on YouTube. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.